What's up YouTube? Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Dyson Airwrap in this limited edition colour. So let's get cracking on. We've ordered it from a well-known UK retailer. As you can see, it's completely closed. Right. And in a box, we have another box. Let's open it. What is the full name of this model? Ready, guys? Dyson Airwrap Complete Long. Strange name. And there she is in its original retail packaging. This is the limited edition color. I'm gonna open it so you guys know what's inside. First time unboxing video. Oh, it's quite nice. I mean, not sure what relevance this has, but let's lift it out of the box. Whoops! Drop this out of the box. Yeah. Just put that away over there. Accessories. What's in here? Ooh. What do we have here? Try not to damage your box. There we go. Let's get out. We have a bag. Velour, sort of velvety velour. Feels really good quality actually. Storage. Oh, it has little logos. It tells you. Let's bring it to the camera. I think that's for the charger, for the unit, accessories. Oh, it's actually quite a cool little travel bag. Well made, high quality. Suppose it has to be high quality for the amount of money they charge for this thing. Here we have the main box in this lovely purple violet color. You're going to remove the seal. Ripped it already. Sorry. Whoops. Malfunction with the camera. Excuse us. Nice, good quality case, makes it feel really premium. And here we open it. Whoops, I must have opened it with a bit too much drip. Try that again. Okay, very high quality premium box. Don't think I've ever seen such good packaging in my life before. Scan to unlock your exclusive benefits. And then obviously there is instructions in Arabic, English. Oh, just 2 languages it seems. Protective foam. Here it is, guys, the limited edition color. This is how it's packaged in the box. You have, now I don't know what these things are called. I'll show you what they are. Connects onto the, we have here another brush. Very nice quality. It is plastic, but it looks like anodized aluminium finish. Quality seems good. It's like the Apple of hairstyling accessories. There we go. There is something inside here. Let's open it. Trying to be careful. Oh wait, from the side, my bad. Whoops, things keeps fooling. I'm not gonna lie, it looks, you know when I got my Hoover and I have the cleaning wipe, the brush for the carpet, the hard floor.
Yeah.
Basically a Hoover for your hair, I suppose, isn't it?
It's for styling, not for cleaning.
So you haven't been able to be very gentle with your packaging. What else is in here? Whoa. Okay. The viewers will know what these things are. We have more. We're not finished. I guess we have something for everyone. All hair types. Still haven't finished. Oh no, we have. And the moment you've all been waiting for. Just show you in the box. We have some silica gel. Everything is lovely packed up. Whoa. This is designed to be opened once and they can clearly tell if you've used it and try to return it. You cannot repack this unless you're really, really careful. And here you have it, guys. Lovely orange red. This is just, I suppose, comes off.
Filter.
Yeah, filter. Yeah, filter. A 3-pin plug in the UK. And I'll show you there is instructions in the box. Oh, we have some more goodies. We have some more goodies. Instruction manual. Just rest this here. Excuse me. What do we have in this box?
I guess another filter.
A brush, I suppose, is for cleaning. So I'm not going to demonstrate, but I suppose you can, well, at least clean this one. Like that. The box for that. And a very Apple-esque style manual, of course, which is available online. For me, you know, I absolutely love this box. It feels great. I might just take this box away from my wife. But here you have it, guys, an unboxing video. And hope that was informative. Bye. Did you close it? It's not on my phone anymore.